Good morning, class 11 commerce. Welcome to accountancy period. Today few more new topics we are going to attempt in journal entries. The first topic is drawing of goods. Here drawing of goods means goods withdrew from business for personal use. As we know, whenever goods has withdrawn or cash has withdrawn for personal use, which word do we use normally? Drawing account debit. Drawing account debit. Now, what has withdrawn? Goods. What is going from business? Goods is going. Earlier we did cash is going. So we were crediting to cash, but here goods is going. And which goods is going? Which was purchased by us earlier, जो हमने पहले से खरीद रखा है. It means purchased goods is going. It means purchase is increasing or decreasing. It means purchase is decreasing. That's why we are going to credit to purchases account. Drawing account debit to purchases account. B. Goods withdrew for personal use. This will be the narration. I think first entry is clear. Second entry. Goods given as charity. Charity means daan. Is it your income or expense or assets or liability? I think charity is our expense. That's why our entry is charity account debit. Again, what is going from you? Goods is going from you. Again, purchase is reducing. That's why to purchases account. To purchases account. Why charity debit? Because it is expense for us. It is a nominal account. And purchases, why purchases credit? Because goods is going. Which goods is going? Which was purchased by us earlier, जो हमने पहले से purchase कर रखा है. It means our purchase is reduces. Next entry. Goods distributed as free sample. Normally many companies they distribute goods as a free sample to get the taste of the people, so that people can get habitual of this product. So free sample, is it your expense or not? Yes. And why company spend this money as free sample? For advertisement. Which word we are going to use? Advertisement account debit. Advertisement account debit. To what is going again, my dear friends? Goods is going to purchases account. If instead of advertisement, if you use the word free sample account debit, that will be also correct. But the correct word is advertisement. Next, loss by fire or loss by theft of goods. In godown, fire occurred, or thieves stolen the goods from the godown. Both are losses for us. That's why loss by fire account debit or loss by theft account debit to what is going? Purchase. Goods is going again to purchases account. So these were today 3 or 4 more new entries. Now let us do numerical of these entries, sir. Entries are very simple. Now we will do illustration number. We will do illustration number 20. Illustration number 20. Illustration is owner withdrew rupees 20,000 in cash and goods of rupees 10,000 for private use. Very simple entry, I think. Who is withdrawing? Owner is withdrawing. So whenever owner is withdrawing, for which purpose? Private purpose. So what is to be debit, dear friends? Drawing account debit. Drawing account debit. What is going from business? Cash, real account. Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. So to cash account. What is also going? Goods. So to purchases account. To purchases account. 20,000 rupees cash, 10,000 rupees goods. Total drawing is 30,000 rupees. Narration. Being goods withdrawn and cash withdrawn for personal use. Next entry, sir. Entry number 2. Goods of rupees 50,000 given as charity. Goods of rupees 50,000. Sales price sales price 60,000 given as charity. Now remember, again two things are goods and charity. Charity is your expense. Which account? Nominal account. So let us debit. Charity account debit. What is going from you? Goods, sir. So to purchases account. Now question arise. Entry is to be passed with 50 or 60. गुड्स ऑफ 50, ये गुड्स हमने 50,000 का खरीदा हुआ है, सेल प्राइस है 60, अगर इसको बेचना चाहें तो कितने का बिकेगा? 60,000 का. देन व्हाट डू यू से? शुड आई रिकॉर्ड 50 और शुड आई रिकॉर्ड 60 ओवर हियर? आई थिंक यू विल ऑल अग्री विद मी, वी आर गोइंग टू रिकॉर्ड 50,000 रुपीस. 50,000 रुपीस. रीजन इज वेरी सिंपल. हियर वी आर नॉट सेलिंग इट. हाउ कैन वी रिकॉर्ड सेल प्राइस ओवर हियर? तो गुड्स जितने का आया था उतने का हमारे पास से जा रहा है. I think you understood. Now let us go for another entry. Entry number 3 of the same topic, of the same illustration. Illustration number 20. Goods worth rupees 50,000 and cash rupees 20,000 stolen by employee. Goods of rupees 50 and cash of rupees 20 stolen by one of the employee. So if things were stolen, is it loss or not? Yes, it is loss for us. That's why loss by theft account debit. What is going from you? Number 1, goods is going to purchases account, and what is also going? Cash is also going to cash account. Here goods was of rupees 50,000. Cash is of rupees 20,000, and what is our total loss? 70,000 rupees is our total loss. Now let me add here one more point. Here the goods was insured. ये 50,000 का जो goods गया है, loss हुआ है, stolen हुआ है, it was insured. An insurance company accepted a claim of 40,000 rupees. Insurance company accepted a claim of rupees 40,000. I am adding this one more transaction here. Insurance, इसका हमने इंश्योरेंस करा रखा था और इंश्योरेंस कंपनी 40,000 का क्लेम एक्सेप्ट कर लिया. Then how to pass the entries? तो इंश्योरेंस कंपनी will give claim to us. Has not given. It will give to us. So that's why insurance company becomes our debtor. Insurance company account debit to loss by theft. 40,000 rupees. Let us try to understand why did I do it. Total loss was here 70. Out of this 50,000 was goods and 20,000 was cash. Now this goods was insured और इंश्योरेंस कंपनी में कितने रुपए देने वाली है? 40,000 रुपए. दिए नहीं है, देने वाली है. That's why I debited insurance company. Why I debited insurance company? Because insurance company has become my debtor. ये मेरी debtor हो गई क्योंकि मुझे उससे 40,000 रुपए लेने हैं और मेरा 40,000 से लॉस क्या हो गया? कम हो गया. Here loss was debited by 70. I credited it by 40. मैंने 40,000 से क्रेडिट कर दिया तो मेरा लॉस अब डेबिट में कितना रह गया? 30,000 रुपए रह गया. I think you understood. So insurance company account debit to loss by theft. So this was one example over here. Now let us do illustration number 21. Illustration number 21. Illustration number 21. Entries are number 1, rupees 10,000 due from Rohit are now bad debts. Rupees 10,000 10,000 ड्यू फ्रॉम रोहित से हमें 10,000 रुपए लेने थे. रोहित वाज अवर डेब्टर, उसको 10,000 रुपए हमें देने थे. नाउ बैड डेब्ट्स, अब वो पैसा क्या हो गया? बैड डेब्ट्स हो गया. ही इज नॉट गोइंग टू पे इट. व्हाट एंट्री टू बी पास? आई टोल्ड अर्लियर आल्सो सर, बैड डेब्ट्स अकाउंट डेबिट टू रोहित account. 10,000 rupees, 10,000 rupees. Why bad debt debited? Because loss for us. Money is not going to come now. And why Rohit credit? Rohit was my debtor. उसको मैंने उधार माल बेच रखा था. जब मैंने उसको उधार माल बेचा था तो I debited Rohit. मैंने उसमें रोहित को डेबिट किया होगा. Now he is not going to pay. That's why I am crediting him. His account closed now. Being amount becomes bad debts. Being amount become bad debts. Next entry. Goods worth rupees 20,000 were used by proprietor. I will not write it in board. So simple entry. Goods worth rupees 20,000 used by proprietor. 20,000 का goods proprietor ने use किया है. तो what is our entry, sir? Drawing account debit to purchases account. Next. Charge 10% depreciation. Third entry. Charge 10% depreciation on machine. On machine of rupees 3 lakh. Of rupees 3 lakh. Charge 10% depreciation. 10% depreciation लगाना है किस चीज के ऊपर? मशीन के ऊपर. And what is the costing of machine? 3 lakh rupees. So I told earlier also, depreciation is what for you? Is it profit? It is loss? Is it income? Is it expenditure? It is assets or liability? So I think depreciation is our loss. So depreciation account debit. Depreciation account debit. 2. We never pay it in cash. Our fixed assets value reduces. हमारी fixed assets की value क्या हो जाती है? कम हो जाती है. तो 3 lakh into 10%. So dear, it becomes 30,000. It becomes 30,000. Why depreciation debit? Because it is loss for us. And why machinery credit? Because machine is our assets and assets value is reducing. Assets की value कम हो रही है. That's why I credited it. Assets जब बढ़ती हैं तो उनको डेबिट किया जाता है और जब assets कम होती हैं तो उनको क्रेडिट किया जाता है. Next entry, sir. I am taking important entries. Provide interest on capital. Provide interest on capital of rupees 15 lakh at the rate of 6% per annum for 9 months. For 9 months. Some is saying we have to provide interest for 9 months. कैपिटल कितने लाख रुपए की है? 15 लाख रुपए की. 6% इंटरेस्ट देना है. कितने महीने का? 9 महीने का. I told her this earlier. Who will pay interest on capital? Interest on capital कौन किसको देगा? Business will pay to owner. Business will pay to owner. So is it income or expense? Expense. So what is our entry, sir? Interest on capital account debit. Capital account debit. Owner, business will never pay this interest in cash to owner. ये इंटरेस्ट बिजनेस जो है ओनर को कैश में नहीं देगा. बिजनेस विल ऐड दिस अमाउंट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट इनटू कैपिटल. बिजनेस जो है इस अमाउंट को किस में ऐड कर देगा? कैपिटल में ऐड कर देगा. राइट? दैट्स व्हाई कैपिटल क्रेडिटेड. इफ कैपिटल इंक्रीजेस क्रेडिटेड और इफ कैपिटल डिक्रीजेस इज डेबिट. अगर कैपिटल बढ़ती है तो उसको क्रेडिट करते हैं और घटती है तो डेबिट करते हैं. अभी मैंने पहले एंट्री में ड्राइंग को डेबिट किया था. क्यों किया था? क्योंकि ड्राइंग का डेबिट होने का मतलब कैपिटल कम हो रही है. तो व्हाट इज अमाउंट ऑफ कैपिटल ओवर हियर? 15 lakh. What is the rate of interest? 6% into 9 upon 12, and you will write this entry there. Amount is there. So these were few entries, sir. I told you. One more entry is there. Goods costing rupees 80,000. Goods costing rupees 80,000. Goods costing rupees 80,000 sold to Mohan. Sold to Mohan for 1 lakh. 80,000 की कॉस्टिंग का माल 1 लाख में बेचा. तो एंट्री इज वेरी सिंपल सर. वी आर सेलिंग गुड्स टू मोहन. तो व्हाट इज आवर एंट्री? मोहन अकाउंट डेबिट टू सेल्स. नाउ क्वेश्चन अराइज विद 80 और विद 1 लाख. 80,000 से एंट्री करेंगे 1 लाख से. 80,000 का माल 1 लाख में बेचा मतलब प्रॉफिट में बेचा. एंड वी ऑलवेज रिकॉर्ड एंट्री विद profit. It means we are going to pass entry with 1 lakh rupees, not with 80,000 rupees. So this was your today's topic. Few more entry and revision of earlier entry. Thank you.